On today's menu, 2 delicious hummus recipes so packed with flavor, it's definitely a party you'll want to attend. Traditional and chili oil, hummus. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Hummus is one of my favorite finger foods, and you can make it as fancy as you like. 2 400ml cans of chickpeas. Pour out the chickpea water and save for other recipes. This is also known as aquafaba. There's no need to throw out that chickpea water or the aquafaba. You can make a delicious thick mayonnaise recipe really easily at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. Rinse the chickpeas with water. Food processor. Chickpeas. Three pieces of garlic, 1/3 cup tahini, 1/3 cup lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, pepper, one cup water, drizzle of olive oil. Blend for about 45 seconds. Plate half the hummus. Swirl. Half tablespoon smoked paprika. Quarter cup chopped olives. Sprinkle freshly chopped parsley. Slice a pomegranate in half over a bowl. Slice into quarters and carefully extract the seeds. I know one way to do it is to cut the pomegranate in half and just bang on the back of it with a wooden spoon, but kind of peeling around the seeds, you are able to kind of keep everything intact, and it's kind of like you're discovering little deposits of gems. Sprinkle some pomegranate on top of the hummus. And drizzle with some olive oil. That looks absolutely beautiful. Like I said, you can make hummus as fancy as you like. You can now enjoy this delicious hummus with absolute confidence. Today's episode is actually a companion video to the hummus recipe that's found in the Cook with Confidence cookbook. And of course, if you'd like to find out more information, to take a sneak peek inside the book, or to order a signed copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We can check this out. Like I said, hummus is really kind of what you make of it. And if you're feeling up for it, definitely try it out with one of my favorites, the not too spicy but smoky ruby red chili oil made in the previous episode. I'll also leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out and make this really easily at home as well. Plate the remaining hummus. Swirl. 1 to 2 tablespoons chili oil. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon Korean pepper flakes, also known as gochugaru. Crumble over a few sheets of salted nori. You can now dip into this incredible hummus with absolute confidence. Hummus is just one of those dishes where you just take a bunch of simple, humble ingredients. It's a simple, humble process, and you can turn it into this visually stunning, beautiful, restaurant quality kind of dish. Let's try the traditional one first. That's the thing I love about hummus. It's just a burst of flavor every single bite. The hummus, the base of the hummus is really delicious. It has that beautiful kind of silky texture. It's velvety, it's garlicky, a little salty, and you taste that kind of nuttiness from the tahini. The olive oil really adds that delicious fruitiness. The smoked paprika adds that kind of smokiness, and the olives add that punch of flavor. The parsley just adds that freshness, but those pomegranate seeds, man, they explode with this delicious sweetness that just brings everything together. And when you have it all in one bite, it just is this crazy, incredible, delightful explosion of flavor. That lemon juice that we put into the hummus just really gives it this incredible brightness and a little bit of a tanginess as well. Right, now for the young man cooking chili oil style hummus. Look at that, just fiery. Man, that is so crazy how different the two characteristics are for the two different hummus. The traditional one has kind of a lot of fresh flavors and that sweetness from the pomegranate. But this one, man, it's just like that punch of smoky and a little bit of a spicy flavor that just gets wrapped up in this delicious, velvety, garlicky hummus with that kind of brightness from the lemon juice. In this version of the hummus, the nori really gives it that extra oomph of umami, that saltiness. The toasted sesame seeds adds that kind of sesame aroma, and the gochugaru, the Korean pepper powder, just adds that little bit more of that smokiness, a little bit of a spicy kick as well. You get that beautiful kind of golden ruby red color, and that chili oil adds that unmistakably delicious, aromatic, smoky flavor. This version is incredibly savory. That garlic goes so well with that chili oil. You really get an abundant amount of contrasting flavors in here. You get that smoky, the spicy, the salty, the garlicky, the brightness from the lemon juice, and everything just combines together and really creates this literal explosion of flavor. Man, that chili oil hummus with the nori is just crazy delicious and beautiful, visually stunning. I think we should definitely officially call this the young man cooking hummus. I could literally take a picture of that, print it out, and put it on my fridge. It's that visually stunning. If you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. Of course, to take a sneak peek inside the books or to get your signed copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.